I found these crates at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by gluing them together using Elmer's glue and just a little bit of hot glue to hold them together. I get that instant hold with the hot glue, and then the Elmer's is what you're going to want long term. I found 3 different stars, all from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by painting the largest one in the Republic Red. This middle one in the Bowie. Covered up that black nicely. And the smallest one in our Snow Owl. I'm going to set those aside to dry. And then I'm going to paint the crate mostly white. And on the front side, I'm going to leave the center crate panel. I'm going to paint that Republic Red. This is going to be the front. I'm going to take the largest star and I'm going to put it in the slats in the back. And I am going to give it a little hot glue as well. It stood pretty much on its own without the glue, but you're going to want the glue there. The Bowie one, I'm going to use a little hot glue and put it in the slats all the way to the left. And this will be the front slat. And then the white one I'm going to do in the front slat as well, but I'm going to put it all the way to the right, almost like they stagger. I found this little sign at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it Republic Red. And I took these off of the computer, and it says "and stripes," and I use a little carbon paper to trace my letters onto my little plaque here. I'm going to take a permanent marker and fill that in, and it says "and stripes." I'm going to glue my plaque to the front of my crate. And then I'm going to touch it up with some jute. I'm going to wrap the jute around the stars, kind of in an angled direction. Just wrap it a couple times with a knot. I'm going to do the Bowie and the Republic Red in the same direction. And then the white one, I'm going to go in an opposite direction, just to give it some interest. And there you go. Now you have this cute stars and stripes little plaque. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.